everyone, this video is about UV visible spectroscopy. As you know that I have created a new playlist in my YouTube channel about spectroscopy where I will add videos about UV visible spectroscopy, IR spectroscopy and NMR spectroscopy. I may cover about Raman spectroscopy if needed, and if you give me any suggestions or any topics regarding spectroscopy that you want to learn, I'm more than happy to make videos on those topics. But as I'm going systematically, so I will describe first a few terminologies that are necessary to understand this UV visible spectroscopy. UV stands for ultraviolet and vis for visible. Alright, so these are the two very basic terminologies, wavelength and frequency. I often see in my videos when some people say, oh, these are very basic videos, I know this. Listen man, I'm not making videos for you, okay? So if you know these things already, fine, well done, thank you. I'm making videos for all of the generations which are yet to come, upcoming generations, and all those people who don't know about this. Alright, if you know something that I already tell you in this video, perfectly fine, thank you very much. I'm not making video for you if you know already it. I'm making this video for those people who do not know or those people who want to learn. Alright, so I know that so many people might know the definition of wavelength and frequency, but in order to go at advanced level I need to start from basics. That's why I'm starting from these ones, and in next videos the course will get updated and will become advanced. Alright, so back to the topic. This is the wavelength. It's defined as on the left below as the distance between adjacent peaks or troughs, and may be designated in meters, centimeters or nanometers, like 10 power minus 9 meters. And frequency and wavelength are inversely related to each other. The number of wave cycles that travel past a fixed point per unit of time, and its unit is hertz, and wavelength are defined in nanometers in UV visible. So consider this example. There is a prism and the white light coming, and white light contains all the colors, and there is a dispersion angle, and from that white light you can see red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet colors. These are also called waveguide. Alright, here are the wavelengths of these colors. Violet starts from 400 to 420 nanometer, indigo from 420 to 440, blue from 440 to 490, and green from 490 to 570, yellow from 570 to 585, orange from 585 to 620 nanometer, and red is from 620 to 780, and some books it from 800 up until. So this is a color wheel. This is also called a waveguide. So the color that you see is the emitted color, it's not the absorbed color. Alright, so if something is absorbs red, it will appear green. Similarly, if something absorbs this color, it will appear blue color. So hope you like this basic video about UV visible spectroscopy. I will try to make more videos on this topic, and further I will go to NMR and make those videos as well. Keep watching this channel, please subscribe it. Thank you, see you, bye in next video.